Oh my God, look at the snow. Look at the mushroom. How much snow. All right, let's go in. It's gonna be like our own little snow globe. I'm gonna have to get some of the snow off the top of here so it doesn't collapse. We're back for 420. I had to sweep again. Ah! Don't fall! Help! Ah! No. Okay. Oh God, that was nearly a crisis. Now let's see. Let the light in. I'm gonna let it shine. Don't let Satan it out. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. I've always wanted to live in an igloo. I guess now I kind of can. It's still snowing too, so we're gonna have to make something fun out of that snow. Maybe a snow schmong. God, we've probably got, I don't know, what is that, 5 inches? Well, it's 420 somewhere. Go touch some grass or some snow, okay? I love you.